In the vibrant, candy-colored kingdom of Snacktopia, Whiskers, the mischievous AI-generated cat, wakes up to an unusual morning. He spots his favorite fish-shaped snacks in a quirky dispenser, which declares, "Catch me if you can," with a cheeky voice. Whiskers lunges at the bouncing snack dispenser, but it zooms away, leaving trails of sprinkles behind. After a cartoonish chase through marshmallow clouds and licorice trees, Whiskers leaps onto a candy slide and slides right into a giant cupcake. The dispenser, now trapped in the frosting, shouts, "Okay, you win." As Whiskers enjoys a snack feast, he unwittingly becomes the Choco Cat ruler of Snacktopia for saving the day. Would your cat survive this whimsical adventure?